Umibandla lingazi ukuthi umkhathi ubhilonga kulo kunabantu abazokhontrola umkhathi bethatha
There
inqumo.
are people who will rule these territories and take decisions upon them.
Kanti sengiyabona ke manje uJesu uma ekhuluma nebandla
It's as if I imagine it as
athi
Jesus
umuntu
spoke to
kumele
the church,
ukukhuleka
saying the
ngaphezulu
man is supposed to
and
pray
simele
without
ukuthandaza
ceasing.
singakhathali. Emva kalokho wasebanikeza umfanekiso uthi kwakunejaji edolobheni thizeni uthi lalingamesabi
Who was
uNkulunkulu.
not afraid of God.
Uqala wethandazani ngaphezulu.
He said, pray without ceasing.
Izathu ngoba kunejaji
Reason
elingamesabi
being, there
uNkulunkulu.
is a city that does not
Ijaji
fear God.
umbuso obusa indawo
This
ethile.
judge is a
So uma
territorial
engamesabi
spirit
uNkulunkulu kusho
that does
kuzoba
not fear
namathenda
God.
afana ngabaye ebandleni engayi ngoba kunejaji elingamesabi
The
uNkulunkulu
church-
lizophambanisa
But
izinto.
because of this judge who fears not, he will make this not
Ukuze
correct.
kungenzeki lokho
So this not happen,
nimele ukuthandaza ngaphezulu.
you are to pray without ceasing.
Ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi umkhathi
I want
uyingozi
you to be
kangakanani.
aware of the territorial
Uma
spirit.
ufundele lo verse wehla
If you've read this verse
Usethi
going down,
uJesu,
and then Jesus says,
kazi uma indodana yomuntu
I
ibuye
wonder
emhlabeni
if the Son of Man returns to
iyokufumana yini ukukholwa
earth, will
kubaba.
he get the
Wayabuza
help and
lo
the
ukuthi the principalities
faith? Because of